Crypto Bliss community. aehUX here today and making things happen for you guys. Very short video today, so make sure that you hit the bybit link down below because this is what this video is about. 3 trades I'm going to give you that are about to break out with the bullish momentum of altcoins coming into play. We're going to have a look at a few items first before we get into those 3 charts. But thanks for being here with me, my special community. Of course, if you like the video and you're looking forward to these trades, please smash the thumbs up and please make sure to hit that notification bell so that you get videos when I do cool videos like this that you can use to actually make some money with through trading. So thanks for being here, my special and blessed community. Let's rock on with the show. Okay, so let's go and have a quick squiz at the total crypto market cap. Now, this is the total crypto market cap on the daily time frame. We haven't had a buy signal from it yet, but we are finding support on my 2 signals and we're rocking in between both of my signals here. And the moment that we start to essentially get above this level here, okay, I feel there will be a breakout and then a pullback. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I will of course do the video for you. This would be a perfect entry level essentially in altcoins to take a long ride up to the top here, which would essentially become the target then for us in our trading. So that's going to add another 100 billion into the space for now. So yeah, let's go and just thoroughly enjoy what we're about to go and do and see in these charts. And please note that these trades are for you. This is not financial advice, first of all. I'm showing you the potential that you can make over the next couple days, couple weeks. Okay, so first coin, and of course we are getting extremely bullish momentum, and it is of course the leader of all altcoins. Coin number 1, Ethereum, of course, because it is the leader of altcoins. Ethereum currently on the 4-hour time frame has broken above this down sloping trend. We have a signal, a buy signal here. We have almost just about reached the target of the down sloping trend, which means that we're probably going to, you know, bounce off of it, pull back a little bit, find a little bit more support before we head on up. And what that looks like is maybe a little bit up to there, because essentially that's the target, before we retrace somewhere back down to about that level where we find some support, okay, before we actually go and smash through there all the way up to the level of 1990 to 2000, okay. That's where I see a very short-term trade with Ethereum. And essentially, what does that look like for you? If you enter in at that point and take profits up here, that's a 12% trade, okay? And if you're doing a 10x leverage, that will give you 120% on your trade, which is phenomenal, okay? So essentially you take $1 and or $10 and convert that into $12 profit, plus you'll get your $10 back, okay? So absolutely phenomenal here, guys. I'm just sharing with you and I'm showing you absolutely beautiful trades here that you guys can make. So the point here is that you need to risk manage. So your stop loss should essentially be at this level under this line over here, okay? And your take profit should essentially be up there. Now, what does that look like in terms of a trade, okay? Because I did say here on this level, okay? So here is your trade, okay? And that's where your stop loss would be. So your stop loss is 5%. You see, 5%. Your risk management needs to be between 1 and 5% maximum, okay, of your total equity in your account for a 12% trade, okay. So that's literally a 2-to-1x, a 2-to-1 on your trade, which is great, guys. It's a short-term trade. We're not waiting for it to run to the moon yet, okay? But if you're smart, which I'm sure you are, my beautiful crypto community, this is the day on Ethereum. Now, if this breaks out on the day time frame, have a look here, okay? In fact, let's go to the weekly time frame, because the weekly time frame is a little bit more open for us. So first level is up there, okay? there's quite a bit of resistance at 2,000. But our next level up is around 2,500 to 2,600. Okay, at that point is where I would consider taking profits on your higher time frames, depending on how long you're actually sitting in your trades for. So if we pull back to there, more or less, punched up there, pulled back there, and then broke out and then smashed up here, that's what we would hopefully enjoy. And honestly, guys, I would take some profits at this level and let the rest ride up there. Take your initial profits, take your initial investment out and let the rest ride up. It's very simple. Then you don't lose any money. Okay. The most important rule about investing is not to lose money. Trade number 2. Okay. Litecoin. Litecoin is inside 2 different triangles right now. Triangle patterns. The smallest and the closest time frame right now is in this current pattern on the 4-hour. You can see we've had a nice buy signal. We are pulling above both of my signals here, which is a very strong buying signal for momentum. And look at what happens here. So we're getting ready to break out of this initial 4-hour triangle, which is this pattern here. But if we go on so essentially, again, then on Litecoin, you would be looking, I mean, at the very worst, we hit here. We maybe pull back to there before we actually break out of here. But I'm telling you, we're going to break out sooner rather than later. And then this will be the first point of resistance. So at the $100 level. And then at this point, we could look for a pullback. At this point, this would be another entry. So you can take some profits, take the initial investment out, and then you can, otherwise you can also add to it back here. And then you could actually catch this breakout further up. Let's go and see what that looks like on the higher time frames quickly. Let's get rid of that. So on the daily time frame, okay, this is what we're looking at for the higher time frame of the triangle. And honestly, the most amount of resistance is here at the top of this triangle. Okay, so not only do we have that top of the triangle, but on Litecoin, there is also this major resistance level here, which we actually broke out of already. We found some support. So we are looking to go up. But the momentum is going to be slow because remember, we're at the bottom of the bull market, okay, at bottom of the bear market coming out of this. So we pulled up here, broke down here, broke out of this level, and essentially we made our way up here. I'm not saying it's going to go straight up like this. It might make, a few patterns and go up like that. But essentially, 140 would be the initial near-term target. So essentially what you'll do is you'll wait for that and cool, enjoy the trade, guys. Trade number 3, and that would be Chainlink. Now I'm going to tell you, I did enter into all of these. I did enter into Chainlink, especially here. Ethereum, because I had a buy confirmation indicator here on the 4-hour. I got in over here at this price on the 4-hour at 1750, and Litecoin, I actually got into Litecoin at about 86, I do believe it was already. But I'm sharing with you guys what the most ideal trades would be, because I took a trade from here at Litecoin because I use these specific signals. Okay, so that give me early enough entries, but the point of trading is to wait for your confirmation. So actually, I didn't show you what that looked like in terms of that as a profitable, just even up to the initial, that's also 11%, guys. So 11% with your stop loss at this point, so 6%. So it's literally, it's another 2 to 1 on your trade. Why wouldn't you want to be doing this, guys? That's what I'm saying to you. Trade number 3, as I said, is Chainlink. So the same thing now, except on Chainlink, we've already now hit a little bit of resistance here. Guys, you can see there's resistance here at this level. It's okay. I think we'll have a little bit of a pullback, meet my indicators down here. Before we break out of this level, we'll probably punch up to hit this high over here before pulling back down again, and then probably breaking out of this, hitting this level over here, pull back, and then make our way up on Chainlink, which essentially would bring us, up to, let's just get here on the daily time frame, which would break us out of this massive trend line on the triangle, and essentially we would hit a target point at there, but that is my actual target, and that is at 13.5 $0.20. So if you were holding this for a nice juicy long-term trade, okay, which is what the point is, and your stop loss is very, very tight over there, and you took your profits over here, it's a 90% trade. 10x on this trade would give you a 900% on your trade for a very simple 60%. Okay, so that is massive. That's like a 33-1. So they're all good trades, guys. The point is, hit the Bybit link down below, get yourself, deposit your funds into Bybit, do some trading. You have seen my trades now. I am officially in those trades as well, and I'll screenshot those and share them with you on my Twitter account. So please make sure that you come over to my channel and hit my Twitter account here. If you haven't gone onto it yet, go there, subscribe to me now, subscribe to me here on YouTube, and really appreciate you, my beautiful community. If you want more signals like this that are essentially for free, okay, smash the thumbs up and please comment down below. Love you lots. We'll see you on the next one. Blessed souls.